Well, she knows how to do stuff when she's just laying there.
I know.
Maybe that's all you needed, huh? Was space.
Hi, baby.
Huh?
Hi, baby.
You just need space. A lot of space.
I'm talking about community. Not the worldly. I'm talking about community. And if they're like having that time only to view eyes of the Lord, there's no bugs will enter that. We don't have to have insects right around because God will prosper that plant. That's why we have to always hope that.
That's how the back of my head looks.
Oh, baby. Come on, baby. Come on. Come on. There you go. There you go.
She did it.
All right. Yeah.
She's all happy. She's like, yeah, I conquered it. No, you
Alright,
gotta start
baby.
crawling.
Okay, I gotta push forward. Go! Go, baby! Go, baby! Kitana! 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 Baby! My baby! Baby! Kitana! Kitana!
Okay, be careful, baby.
Oh.
Be careful.
Don't worry, you'll stop him. Kitana! Kitana! Hey!
Watch out,
Watch out, baby! Watch out, baby! Another baby!
Come on, baby.
No, Zaya, stay
Hi.
here.
Stay in the middle.
Hi!
Oh, you're gonna hurt me.
Come forward! Come forward! I know. Come on, baby. Oh. Okay, okay.